Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Luke Skywalker in a cartoon form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our cartoon Luke Skywalker, we're going to begin with his head. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over, and then up like this. Now I'm going to make these a little bit taller. Now I want to make his hair, so I'm going to start here. We're going to make a little line that curves down and up, a little bit longer one, and then a couple more different size ones. Then I'm going to make this a little bit taller, and we're going to make some small ones over here. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line up, and I'll bring this line up. I'm going to add a couple little lines right here. And I'm going to curve up two little lines for his ears. Now, starting right here by his ear, we're going to go out, and we're just going to make a couple more little pointy lines. And then we're just going to bring his hair up, add a couple more little pointy lines, and down. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and another little line that's going to come down here. Then I'm also going to draw another little line that's going to come right here, and one more over here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and then one over here. And we're going to draw a line across to connect them. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. And I'll make two lines here for his little belt buckle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down. Then starting here, we're going to curve this up, and we're going to bring it right back up here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up for his thumb. We're going to make a little line right here, and a line that's going to go down and over. One here, and we'll just leave three fingers, and I'm going to draw his hand right to here. Next, we'll connect his sleeve, and we'll add a little line down here. Now, for his lightsaber, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and down. And we're going to go down, over, and then up. We're going to make a nice long line that's going to come up. It's going to have a rounded top, and then it's going to come back down. Now, starting over here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to make another little line that comes down, and another one that's going to go down like this. You want to curve this up and bring it all the way back here. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down. Make a line that's going to go up, and we're going to bring it down here. One more that goes out here, and one more right here. I'm going to curve this line up, and another one here, and then bring it to there. And we'll just bring this up, and bring this line up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come over. And we'll bring it all the way to here and then up. And we'll make 2 lines that come down. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come over and then up. And then this line, we're going to go down a little farther. It's going to go over and then up. Want it to be a little bit longer than this one. Next, I'm going to start by making a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and come up to here. And then this one's going to go down quite a bit longer and then come up here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. We're going to go up. We're going to come down and then bring it back to here. This one we're going to go down. I'm going to curve this line down for a foot. We're going to come up and bring it up to here. Make a little line that comes right across the bottom. And then we're going to make some long little lines that just go right across here. Now for the face. So starting right here, I'm going to add a circle for an eye. And I'm going to add another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to add a little dot inside each one for the pupil. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve around here for the nose. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes across for the mouth. And a little line that's going to go down and then up. Make a little line across here for the tongue. And then I'm just going to color in this part right here. Right here, we're going to make a line that goes up. It's going to come up and then down here for an eyebrow. And then this one we're going to go over and we're going to run it right behind the hair. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon Luke Skywalker. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.